Given a string consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. So as an example here, it's a string fly me to the moon, and there's a couple of spaces in between. There's more than one space in here. There's also a space right at the end. So we just are interested in the last word called the moon. So the moon has a length of 4. So if we're given another sentence, maybe called hello world, the last word will be world, and therefore the size will be 5, which is the expected output. Now open your IDE, go to the right package, right click, say new Java class, and then let's call it the length of last word. I think that's exactly what it's doing. We're getting the length of the last word. So let's just introduce our method. We have a public, and then we'll have int, and then we'll just call it length of last word. Should pass in or take in a string s as the parameter there. So what we need to do is we need to get rid of all the spaces that are in between. So Java has a method called the split method. So we can say s.split. We can split at the space. So we are removing all the spaces, or we are splitting at all the spaces and getting only the words. So now that we have done this, we need to return the length of the last word. So to get the last word, we'll just say array dot length, which is the length of the array, and -1 will get the index. So it'll give us the last value. Remember, indexes start from 0, which is going to be whatever the length is, -1. So this will give us the value, but we are looking for the length of that value. So we can just do the length method right there, and we're done with our solution. We need to just test. Let's just test it out, and then we'll have the length of okay. The reason why it's not appearing is because we are calling it within a static context. So I'll just do this so that it's static as well, length of the last word. So hence now we're able to see it. So right, let's just rather copy it from the example that we've been given as is, just to make sure that we have a positive test scenario here, and then we should get the answer 4 if it works. Right, that works. So we can also try another one, maybe hello world, and that should do the trick. We should have 5 as the answer. Awesome.